Hello friends, so in this video I am going to tell you how to perform deep SEO technical audit in 2026, and by the end of this video you will get to know why do you need an SEO technical audit and which is the best tool to perform this audit and how can you further take actions on it. So let's get started. So we are going to perform an audit on this website. Before that, I'm going to tell you why you actually need an SEO audit. So our main agenda is to find the hidden problems before Google punishes you. So most SEO issues are invisible, like broken pages, 404 pages, missing tags, duplicate content, wrong indexing. So you cannot notice them manually. So in order to find all the issues, you need to perform an SEO technical audit so that your technical SEO becomes robust, your website is health is up to date, and Google rewards you for your efforts. So now I will tell you how to barely scratch the surface using Chrome extensions and doing the SEO audit. So we have this website humaninterest.com. So and we have this Chrome extension SEO Intel. So we are able to see certain issues like low priority. 99 images are missing alt attributes. Low priority, external links marked as follow. Consider using follow tags where appropriate. No schema found. Then you can also dig in more into this, like indexing. How is your indexing right now? Structured data. So currently no structured data is present. Social tags. Social tags are available. These are image. So these are empty alt text. So Google doesn't know if there is an empty alt text, like what is the image about. External links, internal links, tag manager. If the website has an actual tag manager. So what happens with such Chrome extensions is they can only review the particular page. They cannot review your whole website. So that's why and if you are going to use this Chrome extension and by going through all the pages, then it will take years to complete the SEO audit, and with that you will not be able to find all the issues as well. So far we have done a basic SEO audit, and now I'm going to tell you about how to perform the deep SEO audit, and let me tell you how is it different from the current audit we have done. So earlier we have just done for a single page, but Google doesn't see your single page. It tracks complete your sitemap and goes through all the pages one by one and track all the errors and shows you ranking based upon that, gives you score based on those technical issues fixes. So let's get started. So I have built this tool CrawlBeast in order to do the SEO audit of a complete website. Here what you need to do, you need to just add your website sitemap here URL. So let me pick up the sitemap. So you just need to then crawl and audit. So now it is loading the sitemap and crawling all the pages. So as you can see, it is going to perform an SEO audit on 429 pages. So it takes few minutes to complete this audit. Meanwhile, I've also done an audit on the current website I showed you. So let's go through that audit and see the issues. So this is the audit that has been done. Let's wait for a few seconds as it is already being done. So if you go manually by this number pages, so it will take you years. So that's why this tool comes here, CrawlBeast by Digital Neighbor. This is complete. So now we can check the issues. Here it is telling how many total URLs they have done, how many success, like how many URLs have passed and failed. There are no failed pages right now. The score is 38 only. So let's dig into it. So these websites are pretty good website, and these websites are quite funded as well, so they need to be completed, but I guess no one has dig more into that. So let's go through. So these are all the issues that we have found. As you can see, 12,285 issues are there. The issues contains 404 pages. So all these pages contain 404. Social tags incomplete, missing social tags, external links. So these links are leaking the authority of your website. These should be marked as no follow. And if you think that certain links are need to be marked as follow, you can definitely skip them. But most of the links, as you can see, around a lot of pages have these issues. So it is leaking your SEO juice. So fixing it is most important. Image missing all text, no index pages. So your sitemap contains no index pages. It is the higher priority issues, because Google is like hitting your sitemap and going through these pages and getting the error that these website pages are no indexed. So your crawl budget is getting wasted here. Then missing canonical. All 3 pages are missing canonical. This page should not even be there in the sitemap. Canonical mismatch. So these pages, so Google doesn't know here which is the correct page. It can index anyone by its own mechanism. Low word count. So you can check it out whether it is important or not, because certain pages we need to keep the low word count. Missing H1. This is the most important issue that needs to be corrected. Multiple H1. So these pages contain 2 H1s. An SEO optimized page should only contain 1 H1 tag. Then title length. As you can see, the title length of this page, so you need to trim it. So this is an amazing tool. You can go through all the issues of your website, and you can also store the data within this tool. So it comes with a free plan, like 1000 URLs you can put and 5 projects you can add. So I will link it into the description, so you can download it and check it out and share your feedback on it.